How to change region in Bigo Live. Want to appear in a different region on Bigo Live? Here's how to change your region using the hometown feature, quick and easy. Open Bigo Live app, tap Me at the bottom right corner, tap your profile picture. This access your profile page. Now tap Edit Profile at top right corner. This opens your profile settings. Scroll to find the hometown or location field. Tap it to open the country region selector. Then pick your desired region. After selecting your new region, tap Confirm. Close and reopen the app so the change take effect. And that's it. Your Bigo Live region is now updated. If this helped, tap like, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more smart app updates. See you in the next one.